Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this application, now we will explain to you about the sounds and sound patterns of language of phonetics. Before that, I will introduce our group. My name is Devita, Khusnul, Khotimah. My name is Emeliyah. My name is Friska and Gukguk.
Phonetics is the scientific study of speech sound. Phoneticians are interested in how people produce and understand speech sounds. Using simple from International Phonetics Alphabet (IPA), phoneticians transcribe the sounds of any language in the world.
Okay, next I will explain how to pronounce vowels and consonants in phonetics. For the first, vowels in monophones is for the example is teacher, and u for the example is food. And second, vowels in diphthongs is a for the example is day, and I for the example is my. Last is consonants in phonetics is l for the example is love, and sh for the example is strong.
Explanation for the sounds and the sound patterns of language of phonetics. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.